Hey champs! In this tutorial, we will learn how to schedule posts on different networks through Social Champ. Log in from your Social Champs account. You will land on the content dashboard by default. Select your social accounts from the drop-down at the top. You can even search for social accounts by typing them out. Create your content. You can add emojis, add media, and quickly add hashtags through hashtag groups. You can check sentiment analysis to check the tone of your content. You also have the option to customize posts for each network, so you can optimize posts according to each social media platform by adding different hashtags or mentions. There's more. You also have the option to repeat your posts on Facebook and Twitter by switching on this toggle. Once done, you will have 4 posting options on the lower horizontal bar. Everything looks good now. Let's go ahead and schedule our post. Great work! Now you know how to use Social Champ scheduling feature. Happy scheduling, champs!